How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you what I was able to pick up from my local Aldi's following a ketogenic lifestyle. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. And if you know somebody who's starting the ketogenic diet, this is the most basic grocery list there is on keto. We're gonna start off with the base of our grocery list. I was able to pick up 6 quarts of almond milk, unsweetened of course. This is incredible because I could use this to make my keto protein shakes. Also keto desserts. So this is a must-have on keto. And I was able to pick up some vanilla extract. I just ran out, so I'm able to make some more keto desserts, as well as dark chocolate. This is 85% dark chocolate. It does have 6 grams of net carbs per serving, but if you're only using a piece of this at a time, you can't go wrong with this right here. And the price is right. Moving on, I was able to pick up a whole bunch of pickles. I got about 6 jars of pickles. These are delicious, an incredible snack to have any time of day while following a ketogenic diet. And this is the perfect pick-me-up before my workouts, believe it or not. It's packed with sodium and minerals, which is perfect to fuel your workouts. Pork rinds. Pork rinds are quintessential on the ketogenic diet. Pork rinds are so versatile. You can eat them just right out of the bag, or you can break them up very finely and turn them into breading. As you see here, I made my fried chicken, keto friendly of course, and it tastes almost identical to KFC or Popeye's chicken. Once you try this fried chicken, you may never have to go back to Popeye's or KFC. I found something very interesting. I found these Pro 20 elevation bars. These are brand new here at Aldi's. These have 20 grams of protein and 2 grams of net carbs per bar. These are pretty interesting. I'm actually going to do a video on these separately, reviewing these products and let you know what my honest review is of these. My initial response is that they're a little bit expensive, but at the end of the day, this is perfect for convenience. If you want something on the go on keto, something fast, something a little bit sweet, definitely go for something like this. Something else very interesting I found today were these Crepini egg thins. These are made with egg whites, whole eggs, and cauliflower powder. No carbs, and I'm definitely going to do a separate video on these as well, giving my honest review of these products. I'm probably going to make tacos out of these as well. If you guys don't remember, I made tacos with folio wraps, as you can see here. Also, I found those at Aldi's. See, that's the beauty of Aldi's. You never know what you're going to find when you go to Aldi's. And especially being on keto, it's never been easier to follow a ketogenic lifestyle than it is today. I also got some butter and cheese. Now, any dairy, I do recommend that you do go organic. It's less inflammatory going organic on dairy. But I try to keep dairy at a minimum. But you do you. If you like dairy, you could have dairy all day long. I also got some peanut butter. Organic peanut butter. You're worrying about the pesticides that come with the conventional peanut butters. And look at the ingredients on this. Organic peanuts and sea salt. That's it. This you can actually make yourself. You can actually make this yourself with a blender and a little bit of sea salt. And the fruit of life, avocados. I try to have an avocado at least once a day. One of the best fruits you can have on the ketogenic lifestyle. They're high in fiber and they're high in good fats. And of course, I got eggs. I love eggs in the morning. I got 2 dozen eggs. I got some ground turkey. This is the more lean one, which I tend to like to go more lean with meats because I like to control the fats going into my meals. I was so lucky with this. They were actually doing 50% off of ground turkey. So I wanted to stock up, but they had a limit of 2. So you know, I got 2. I was also able to pick up some chicken breast, also at 50% off. Limit of 2 as well. And chicken thighs. This one was $2 off the ticketed price. Also limit of 2. So I got lucky today. I got real lucky today, guys. That's the beauty about shopping at Aldi's. You never know what you're gonna find on those shelves, and you never know what kind of sales they're gonna be. Guess in the comment section how much this bill cost. If you guess the exact dollar amount, I will give you a special prize. There's no limit to how many comments you could put. You could just comment all you want. I'll give you a hint. It was over $50 and less than 100. And there you have it, a basic ketogenic grocery haul from Aldi's. Keep it simple, stick to one ingredient foods, and you can't go wrong. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're gonna enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.